Hello foodies! You're welcome to my channel Foodie Chatty. Today we are going to make Paneer Tikka Frankie. So before moving on, please subscribe to my channel. Let's begin! First of all, we will prepare dough for our chapati. So I am adding 1 cup of maida. Then I am going to add salt and little bit of oil. Now make a smooth dough. Cover it and keep it aside for some time. Meanwhile, we will prepare our marination for paneer tikka. So here I have taken curd and I am going to add chili, turmeric powder, salt, chaat masala, black pepper. I am squeezing half a lemon. It will give it a very good flavor. Mix it very well. And finally add chopped capsicum, onions and paneer. Coat all these vegetables and paneer with the marination we have prepared. So it's done. Keep it in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Our dough is completely set now, so I'm making chapati. So until then, what you can do is, if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel, or you can go and watch my paneer tikka recipe, which is shown on top right corner of the video. So our chapati is ready. Now grease a non-stick tawa with a ghee or butter. Place chapati on it and make sure it is semi-cooked. We are not cooking it completely. Prepare rest of the chapatis like this, and we are going to roast our marinated paneer tikka for about 4 to 5 minutes, just to remove the raw flavor. It smells really nice. Now we will cook our half-cooked chapatis completely this time. So cook it very well and apply butter on both the sides. Okay. First of all, I am applying some mayonnaise. This is completely optional. You can also apply some cheese, whatever you like. Now I am going to place some onions, coriander and some chaat masala. And here it goes our paneer tikka. Garnish with green chutney or tomato ketchup. Roll it or fold it very gently. So what I'm doing is I'm using a foil paper so it becomes easy to hold, and I'm also using a toothpick. So our paneer tikka Frankie is completely ready. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.